Good morning. My name is Rosa, and I'm a salesperson here at GFX. I'm going to introduce you our cooler. They come with our top of the line hose and all the attachments. So you'll get the complete kit in our box.
Now let's go.
Low drop cooler. These are used for extremely hot conditions like Saudi, Dubai. These are perfect for those countries. Also comes with all the attachments and the hose. And let me show you one more cooler. This is comes with a fan. These are mostly used for like pickup trucks, SUVs. And it also comes with a hose and all the attachments. These come in an 8-inch fan and a 10-inch fan, which is a little bigger. If you have any questions about our coolers or any other product line, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to assist you in anything we can help you with. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.